Welcome to Cows and Crops. This channel is all about real farm and village life. Cows, calves, crops, feeding, milking, grazing, and the peaceful routine of our farm with Renuka. If you enjoy this simple life, please subscribe and keep supporting us for more village farm videos. Some mornings on the farm are not loud, they are quiet and honest. No rush, no show, just a cow eating peacefully, and a small moment of life being taken care of. People think farm life is simple, but this calm comes from hard work you don't always see. Here comes Renuka calling the cows gently one by one. This is her routine every day without excuses. Because on a farm, love is not a word, love is showing up, feeding, guiding, cleaning, and still smiling through it all. By the way, if you respect this kind of hard work, please hit like right now. And if you want to support Renuka and this simple farm life, subscribe and stay with us. While the cows eat, the farm keeps moving. Banana plants growing slowly, goats grazing without worry. Everything here teaches one lesson. Growth doesn't happen in one day, it happens little by little. And this is the most beautiful part. A calf drinking from its mother, pure trust, pure nature. No drama, no fake, just a bond that reminds us. If you take care of what you love, it will grow. Renuka mixes the cattle feed with her own hands, not because she has to, but because she cares. This is the reality behind the milk we drink hard work, early mornings, and a heart that doesn't give up. If you are watching this and you are going through your own struggles, remember this farm lesson. Even if nobody claps for you, keep doing your work. Consistency will change your life. One last time, the calf drinks first, and the day feels complete. This is Renuka's farm, simple, peaceful, and full of effort. Thank you for spending these minutes with us. Your support means a lot to this hardworking farm life. Like, subscribe, and keep supporting Renuka. See you in the next video. Thank you.